Okay, so good day everyone. Our subject today is mathematics in grade 4. We are now here in quarter 2, week 1. So the topics that we are going to discuss today are the following. So in letter A, we have factors and multiples of a given number up to 100, and letter B differentiates prime numbers to composite numbers. Before we proceed to these topics today, let us have a review to our previous lesson that we had. Alright, about identifying the commutative property of the following. So let us identify the following multiplication sentence to its commutative property. In 6 times 5, the commutative property of this is 5 times 6. In number 2, we have 3 times 6. The commutative property of 3 times 6 is 6 times 3. And for number 3, we have 4 times 9. The commutative property of this multiplication sentence is 9 times 4. In number 4, we have 2 times 8. The commutative property is 8 times 2. In number 5, we have 11 times 2. We have 2 times 11. Okay, so now, let us have a review about the basic multiplication facts. Let us begin in multiples of 5. So we have 5 times 3. The answer is 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. Now let us proceed in basic multiplication facts in multiples of 6. So we have 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equals 42. And 6 times 8 equals 48. Now let us proceed in multiplication sentence of 7. Let us now find the product of the following. So let's begin. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times 6 equals 42. 7 times 7 equals 49. And 7 times 8 equals 56. Now let's proceed to 8. So 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 times 4 equals 32. 8 times 5 equals 40. 8 times 6 equals 48. 8 times 7 equals 56. And 8 times 8 equals 64. Now let us proceed in finding the product of multiplying to 9. So 9 times 3 equals 27. 9 times 4 equals 36. 9 times 5 equals 45. 9 times 6 equals 54. 9 times 7 equals 63. And 9 times 8 equals 72. Okay, let us now proceed to our new lesson today about the prime numbers and composite numbers. So given the following numbers as products, how will you know which ones have more than 2 factors and those with only 2 factors? So let us identify which of the following product number has more than 2 factors and with only 2 factors only. So we have 12, 18, 13, 24, 15, 19, 7, 36, 28, and 11. Let us begin first to the product number 12. So in order for you to find the factors of a certain number, all you need to do is to identify what are the multiplication sentence of the product number. So let us begin to 12. So the possible multiplication sentence to the product number 12 are the following. So we have 12 times 1, because 12 times 1 equals 12. 3 times 4, and 2 times 6. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So these numbers are the factors of 12. Next, 18. The possible multiplication sentence to the product number 18 are the following. So we have 18 times 1, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. And the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. So these are the factors of the product number 18. Now let us proceed to 13. The possible multiplication sentence to 13 is 13 times 1. And the factors of the product number 13 is 1 and 13. 24. The possible multiplication sentence of the product number 24 are the following. So we have 24 times 1, 3 times 8, 12 times 2, and 4 times 6. And the factors of the product number 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. These are the factors of the product number 24. 15. The possible multiplication sentence to the product number 15 are the following. So we have 15 times 1 and 3 times 5. The factors of the product number 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. 19. The multiplication sentence of the product number 19 is 19 times 1. And the factors of 19 is 1 and 19. 7. The multiplication sentence, the product number 7 is 7 times 1, and then the factors are 1 and 7. 36. Possible multiplication sentence to the product number 36 are the following. So we have 36 times 1, 4 times 9, 12 times 3, and 6 times 6. And the factors of the product number 36 are the following. So we have 1, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, and 36. So these factors or numbers are the product number of 36. 28. So in 28, we have 28 times 1, 4 times 7, 14 times 2. The factors of the product number 28 is 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. So these are the factors of the product number 28. 11. In 11, we have only 11 times 1 as the multiplication sentence. And the factors of 11 are 1 and 11. Alright, so the numbers with more than 2 factors is what we call the composite numbers. And the example of the composite numbers that we had here is 12, 15, 18, 24, 28, and 36. So these are the examples of the composite number in which the meaning of composite numbers are numbers with more than 2 factors. While the numbers with only 2 factors is what we called prime numbers. The numbers 7, 11, 13, and 19 are the examples of prime numbers. Okay? So let us have a group activity. So in group 1, you're going to find what are the factors of 35 and 43. In group 2, 27 and 51. In group 3, 26 and 31. In group 4, 62 and 43. And group 5, 38 and 23. Now, write the factors of the following product number. So we have 24, 16, 14, 25, and 36. And then write P if the product number is prime numbers, or C if the product number is composite numbers. So we have 24, 7, 14, 13, and 36. Alright, so thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you learned something from me. See you guys in my next video.